Hey there, beautiful people. Now I am in Reykjavik in Iceland. The sun is shining and the sky is almost clear blue. It's an awesome weather and absolutely everything to be thankful for. I wanted to a little bit more about going deep into your story and why that is important for us. I know it's really hard, believe me, I know. I've been there myself and done all the work myself, and that's why I can give you those advices. I want to give you one advice, that is to be grateful. It doesn't have to be much, and it doesn't have to be complicated. Like for myself, I always use just to wake up each and every day. That's enough for me. Some days to be grateful for. At least I am grateful, although I am grateful for many more things. So we go back to our story. If you have tried it, or if you have thought about trying it, what it is that you are doing by going into your story like that is to find some behavior patterns that have led to some problems in your lives, and most of the time they come from our childhood. I didn't know that myself. I had gone through life with a lot of anger in me, which I had no idea I had. I thought I had it so together, but I didn't. And I didn't realize until I had done all this work, and that is why I am advising you to do so. And you can do so just with me. Just take little steps. Just take steps that is convenient for you and you trust yourself to do. And it doesn't matter. The only thing that matters is that you are doing it. You have decided that you want to do better with yourself. You want to work on yourself. And by that, this is the beginning. And although it's going to be hard and a rough road, I promise you, in the end, you will thank yourself for taking these steps. There lies so much freedom in releasing such an old pain patterns that we do not realize we have. So just begin a little step and always go. It doesn't matter if you go 2 steps front and 1 back step. If you are always in those directions you want to go in front of yourself. I'm not going to have it any much longer now. I just wanted to remind you that while you are doing this work, always take care of yourself. Be good to yourself. We are our worst enemy. Our mind is our worst enemy. Be good to yourself. Love yourself. Respect yourself. Think about yourself. Take care of yourself. It doesn't matter if you're not going to do anything for the rest of the day or the whole day or the whole week. It doesn't matter. Wake up. Be thankful for just being here. Get up. Dress up. And do it for yourself. And then you will realize there are people there that noticed and love you. And you are loved. And we all deserve to feel good. That's my advice for you today. Enjoy your day, wonderful people. And be light and love with you. Thank you.